Hey everyone! If you're looking for a simple, science-backed way to lose weight without extreme diets or crazy workouts, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the 30-30-30 rule, a straightforward method that's been making waves in the fitness world. So, what exactly is it? How does it help with weight loss? And most importantly, how can you start using it today? Stick around because I'll break it all down step by step. Plus, I'll share my top 10 weight loss supplements that can help you get even better results. Just check the link in the description. Let's get started. Alright, let's break it down. The 30-30-30 rule is a weight loss method that involves 3 key steps. 30 grams of protein within 30 minutes of waking up, 30 minutes of low-intensity exercise right after eating, and consistency. Doing this daily to support fat loss. It's a simple yet effective routine that helps control hunger, balance blood sugar, and keep your metabolism fired up throughout the day. Now you might be wondering why this combination? Here's the science behind it. Protein boosts metabolism. Eating protein first thing in the morning helps build muscle and keeps you full longer. It prevents blood sugar spikes. It stops those mid-morning cravings that lead to snacking on junk food. Low-intensity exercise burns fat. Walking or light movement after eating improves digestion and helps your body tap into fat stores for energy. It's not about starving yourself or doing intense workouts, just fueling your body the right way and moving consistently. Okay, so how do you actually make this a part of your routine? Here's what a typical morning might look like. Step 1. Wake up and eat 30 grams of protein. Think eggs, Greek yogurt, or a protein shake. Step 2. After eating, go for a 30-minute walk or do some light movement, like yoga, biking, or even house chores. Step 3. Repeat this every morning to start seeing results in a few weeks. It's that simple. No complicated meal plans, no crazy workouts, just a solid morning routine that sets you up for success. If you really want to maximize the 30-30-30 method, here are some pro tips. Plan your protein. Keep easy options on hand like hard-boiled eggs, cottage cheese, or a high-quality protein powder. Make exercise enjoyable. Listen to a podcast, call a friend, or walk outside to make it something you actually look forward to. Hydrate first. Drinking a glass of water before eating helps digestion and keeps you feeling great throughout the day. Stay consistent. The more you stick to it, the better your results. And if you're looking for an extra boost, I've put together a list of the top 10 weight loss supplements that can help you see even faster progress. Check the link in the description. So there you have it. The 30-30-30 rule is a simple, effective way to kickstart weight loss without overcomplicating things. If you're tired of yo-yo dieting and want something that actually works, give this a shot for a few weeks and see the difference. Have you tried the 30-30-30 rule before, or are you planning to start? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more weight loss tips, and check the description for my top supplement recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.